Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2 Simulation Training. So open the Excel 2 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, stating and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Excel 2 simulation trainings and total questions 20. We move to the question number 1. Select the column C and D and right click and click the insert two new column and select the C11 and type the 13129 as centers and editing groups and click the flash fill and next is D11 type the presenters and control E and delete the column B. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the question number 2, select the column C and select the column C, go to column C and paste in column H and next delete the column C, right click and click the delete and select the column A to G and apply the autofill column and next is A1 to H1 and margin centers and apply the title cell style. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the cell B4 and the function library and click the auto sum. Go to the home tabs and click the auto sum and range is A11 to A39 and press enter and next is select the B5 function and click the statistics and type is equal to type the average function and range is D11 to D39 press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the B6 and type is equal to type the median function and range is D11 to D39 press enter. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is click the cell B7 on the formula tab in the function library group, click the more function point statistically, click the minimum function. So type is equal to type the minimum function and range is D11 to D39 and press enter and select the B8 and maximum function highest tail price range D11 to D39. So type is equal to type the max function and range is D11 to D39 and press enter and select the B4 and apply the comma stat. So go to the home tabs and click the comma stat. B4 in the decrease decimal 2 times and apply the accounting number format B5 to B8 and apply the accounting number formats. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in the column heading area and select the column E, home tabs and cell groups, click the format and column with this to type 5 and click OK and select the A4 to B8 press enter and move and drag the D4 to E8 and select the column D and E and apply the autofit column, and next is D4 to E8 and press enter, cell styles, and 20% is in one cell style. So question number 6 is complete. We move to question number 7. So question number 7 is, so open the question number 7. So C4 to C8 press enter and right click and click the format cells, click the alignment tabs and click the merge cells, orientation degree to type 13, click OK, and next is the font size to 14 and merge cell selected and click the bold and italics and font color arrow, the fifth column first colors, merge and align the right, and next is adding row and select the row and shortcut insert the row F4 time. So select the row 9 and right click insert and 4 and select the row 9 to 11 home tabs and editing groups and click the clear groups and click the clear the format. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, in cell A10, so type the A10 and type oak trees, press enter, and next is select the B10 formula types function library groups, click the more functions and conte functions. So type is equal to type the conte function, open the conte function dialog box, so go and click OK and range is G40 to G42 and off and click OK, and next is change the alignment B10, press enter and align the left. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, so as 13 and type is equal to and type the stock level, press enter, and next is h14 type is equal to and type the if function on the if function dialog box, if 40 to 75 and next is order, click OK and again OK, and next is h5 to h42. So next is type the h42 press enter, home tabs and conditional formatting and highlight text data content, and type the order and click the custom formats, and next is custom format on the font tabs under the font style to the click the bold, italic and click the color arrow last column first colors, and go to the fill colors is no fill color, click OK, and again OK, and next is A40 A42 presenters conditional formatting data bars gradient fill or in data bars. So gradient fill or in data bars. So question number 10 is complete. So I have done the assignments, and please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK, and you can see the scores. Excel 2A simulation training is Excel 2 simulation training. The current score is so Excel 2A simulation training is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and which your exam.